Following his swearing-in as the new governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpebholo don hit the ground running to make sure say he fulfill all the promises when he make to the people of Edo. On Wednesday, November 13, 2024, he started the inspection of roads for the state. The governor with the entourage started the inspection for Okpebholo and come waka all the way to Ramat Park. They also check Upper Mission Extension Road junction by Erediauwa as well as Obadan Junction for Auchi Road, where he talk say belle no sweet am with how the road bad, and he come promise say he go fix am in the next few days.
Vehicles cannot pass the surface, and if you make this road like this, they will be totally cut off. So we will not allow that to happen. In the next few days, people will be working here. We want to follow the president's agenda to develop Nigeria. So Edo also will be developed.
Oga Governor and his team come also carry waka go Erediauwa Road, where he flag off the reconstruction of Temboga and Erediauwa Road, where go also get stormwater channelization for Erediauwa Road, and he go reach Uniben Ugbowo. Some people for the area where he talk to Tori people come here and say belle sweet them wella, say the governor don't start to fulfilling promises.
I'm overwhelmed. For the past 30 years I grew up to this. I've never seen a thing like this. A governor that was swearing yesterday, I've started working today. Glory be to God. Very, very important. It's a bypass from here now to Megate. Any vehicle that is coming from Lagos will not take the main New Lagos Road. They will take Benin Technical School Road down to this Upper Mission Station, down to the one that is going to Agbo Road, take Agbo. The one that is going to Auchi, take Auchi. It's a bypass, one of the longest bypass in Edo State, that is going to control traffic from Ugbowo and New Benin, even Obayi.
This place, ever since when I entered the year, different things they happen for here. I don't tire. Even me when you say gas for, I say I want even park. Which kind area be this? If you ready for, you not go fit pass. You not go fit reach us. If they come through they pass, you say me they don't go for erosion. Me erosion don't carry on. But now when they say I want to do one, are they happy where? I don't want they plan to go buy land for another place. I don't fit stay this area. They say why they come. You know say this place na erosion place. So now I'm very happy and they want to do so.
After the inspection, Governor Monday Okpebholo constantly commissioned the new regional branch of Premier Trust Bank for Airport Road, Benin City. For his speech, a contractor say he go partner with the bank to make sure say Edo State turn into construction site and everything go better.
Since morning, I've been going around the bad routes. We have even flag off routes today. We have no time to waste. This season, we have just one dry season in a year. Once this period is gone, that is the end for the year. So we have no time to waste. We have to set the ball rolling. According to my promise, I said I'm going to throw Edo State into a construction site.
The governor also stopped for New Benin to rub shoulder with the citizens and then welcome and well for all the inspection sites. Make una not forget say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.